dito, usap tayo rito.
Parang kontento mo sa seta na dito.
Ako nga rin, ano lang.
They sell buko there, right?
Yes.
I go na. Okay. See you tomorrow, Kuya.
Yeah. Again.
Ingat po.
Sir, mag-get
See you
tomorrow.
tomorrow, Kuya. Okay pa.
Yeah. Tagalan pa, oras na ano yan? Ay, stay siya dito siguro. Dalawang taon. Pero bata mo, 20 lang ako. Malaking tao eh. Ang girlfriend niya man, ganun din, pagkasinan din. Trabaho mo yun sa Manila. Tapos parang siya yung, alam mo naman, houseboy. Kilala mo na pala halos ng mga kuya dito. Kasi sila yung mga first na mga ano nun, no? Panahon ng mga ano pa. May Matiamyanan.
Yan.
Matiamyanan ako.
Kasi kaya napadpad dito si Jerome.
Okay, oo, tama.
May na rin.
Yes, oo. Pero nakita lang kirong dito.
Doon sa ano, pero hindi pa kami. Si Roger ang
Yes. Yung mga taga-Baguio. Kasi sila yung mga talong.
talong. Ano pa rin.
Maaari. Kasi meron kasi dito yung ano. Meron tayo yung malalam sa tayo. Yung umawak ng mga umawak siya ng mga yung pag-liter ko. Ano kasi doon pag yung mga taga-Baguio. Sabi ka ba? Pa-away sila eh. Wala namang ganyan dati. Pero si Axel naman, hindi malag kasi ano si Axel eh, parang yung presidente ko dati. Meron po yung ngayon nakita niya kami ng mga first dati, ano, si Kuya Axel, dati pa kasi tayo. Ginawa, nagpahalan mo sana. Mataka sa film.
Pero ito kasi napansin mo, yung mga taon na yun. Wala na. Pero dati mga oo. Doon kami nakabarak noon kasi yun po, si Bay at saka.
Yan, oo.
Ano to dati? Panuhan na ba yung dati?
Oo, yan. Ganyan siya pero hindi pag yung itsura. Kasi ito talagang bakante lote ito nun. Tapos nagkaroon ng time na ano yan na labor union nata pinaka-first. Ganda ng labas. Ken, sir, may picture ko ha. Oo. Yan talaga siguro yung nahanap ko. Tsaka masarap kasi sa ano, yung mag-try yan ang inabangan ng lahat. Golden na rin. Tawag ng golden hour. Na masarap yung sa mga magkalibawang inabangan mo talaga lumubog sa saksakan. Bago ka sumibat, alam mo yung kung sarap sa pakiramdam.
Oo, ano? Parang dyan. Bago mo gawin yung mga ano.
Oo, gawin mo mamaya.
Tama naman sa kami pinagkahuli ito. Sir, doon tayo ang demand, sir.
Kasi nariya din na ito pag yung mga kababayan. Ilang minuto po. Kasi unti-unti na siya mawawala dito sa agad. Siguro naman panahon na yun, bata pa si Roger nun. Mahal talaga
Parang hindi naman nagbago.
lalaki pa yan. Dati yung mga ano sa, siyempre, first na mga surf na yung mga buong. Pero tumagal, sila na yung tulong sa...
Dahil pa yung kaano sa Pangasinan para magtagal.
Oo.
Sila parang ganyan na pangasawa.
Sila parang pinili isa.
Melissa.
Lagi na naman na. Hindi ngayon wala, hindi siya makaporma ngayon. Ako, nalulungkot nga rin ako. Siyempre, yung karir niya medyo
Ikaw, tara, lakad tayo dyan.
mahinto eh. Kaya pagdating sa ano, tama naman nung meron yung last na SEA Games, siya nag-flag-bearer eh. Oo, siya yung nag-flag-bearer. Duterte pa rin. Pero yung dito yung sabi yung niligtas niya yung, hindi naman talaga niligtas yun. Pag-hit nila kasi pareho. Ngayon si Menkos, yung pinamagaling nito sa inside the league. Napapula ng league. Para si Roger, unfair kasi siya makakuha siya ng points. Si Menkos hindi. Parang ginawa niya lang. Pero siyempre si Menkos parang binigyan niya na ng tingin malaki. Yung Menkos na yun, nalimaw talaga yun. Tutusin. Oo, napapula ng league.
Para silang walang kasalanan.
Oo.
Hindi talaga yun.
Oo. Ito nangyari, highlight yun yung dalawa sila nakasakay sa board. Highlight yun, ang laki ng alon. Golgata, o Taipei. Tapos parang na nakasakay sa alon. Tapos natin sa balita yun, gabi highlight yun. Eh, nagbibigay ng enerhiya mamaya sa mga taong gala.
Lahat yung pwede mong sabihin regarding sa
Yeah, that's right. Just wait for the sunset, you know, like wait for it to come down. Wait for it to come down. Before you go, no, you're like,
It's just hard to find the people when you're
you're paying for 50 pesos.
70 pesos.
Much better. And then you're gonna ride the tricycle out there, gonna have to
100. Yes. 80 or 100.
they take an advantage because you're a foreigner.
No, they
Yeah,
don't.
there's a
have.
white boy. We can
Yeah, maybe 20. They are not that bad. But in some provinces like Koro,
Yes.
people nice. Very nice, very kind. Cebu, for example, they are Yabang, Mayabang. They don't talk to you, you say hello, they don't. Here you say hello, they say
Where
hello.
is Cebu? Where is
In the city. Manila is not like that. Manila, people are kind. If you say hi, they say hi. But Cebu,
point siya. Pero kasi nga sa Cebu na naranasan ko yung ganito sa dati. Punta rin ako doon ng bulog. Oh, malakas ang kita doon ng mga pagsinulog. Grabe, pero ito last na sinulog, wala, sinulog talaga. Sinulog na yung nangyari. Wala na. Wala na. Ang malakas ngayon doon yung mga food and beverage. Meron yung kaibigan ko ano, barista. Napatapos ng araw yung kaibigan ko, nakagalan na rin sa tatrabaho yung nakakaano ako.
So you also stay in Manila.
I stay here too. In Calaga.
What about your experience?
Manila? I go to night. Not too bad.
Where did you stay there?
I stayed in Pasay and I stayed in Quezon City.
So
Do you know Lubis? Yes, Eastwood City. My office was there. I was in They moved. ICT. I work for a US company, so removed. I'm very happy with that.
I saw your tattoo. Kalinga, right?
Yes,
Oh, by the way, if you and your wife you wanna get some good blood, definitely you live here.
I
Yes.
recognize your tattoo. I have one also.
Nag-doon pa
Because
sa
I have
tattoo.
customized my
Umaga na, no?
preferred sign.
Gusto mo?
Letter K from Baybayin. And that one also. I can show you. This one.
Wow, that's
Tapos yung ano rin ang gumawa na ito.
Gusto kong magpagawa nito.
This is all Philippine alphabet, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Baybayin.
You're already being Filipino, ha? Already Filipino. That's nice.
I I already consider you as my second
Yeah, this is my
motherland.
friend, and then he got that shop out there. The one I told you the spot that I told you that you go, but you didn't go.
I didn't go anywhere. Not from that place.
Ah, okay. Sila kasi in-invite ko rin sa doon sa spot na.
What was it? Do you like being a tattoo artist?
Do you like being tattoo artist? Gusto mo daw ba na yung magiging tattoo artist? So much, eh. You like it so much. This is my, you know, like my seniors, you know, like being good, yun naman. Like my kuyas, you know.
How long have you been living here? Time by time. You also did surfing.
Before I was and drone right here. Year 2010. That was a long time ago. I drone the water waves
Takes you down and you can
from swimming. One surfer saw me, then point me
and then after you never start.
and some of my friends took the camera and they said, look, what was funny, let me have the camera instead of,
Damn, that's fun.
looks like comedy out there.
Well, I'm happy you vacation.
Asking if they need happy photos.
You don't know?
But the other is still a member, but they do not show up.
Last flight up to them. It's not like this in Pangasinan, right?
There is some store, or like, but it's not like this.
Like this, you can go crowded anytime. Good for swimming, maybe snorkeling. Are you also married? How many kids do you have? So you are maybe 35 years?
I think you're too younger.
I'm younger.
How old are you?
27.
Oh,
I'm very younger.
almost half of my age.
You have a lot of experience compared to me.
Struggle for living.
Yeah. Well, we all have our own. For me to come here, it's also for work. Not only lecture. It's not good in Turkey right now, but it's very bad now, economy in Turkey.
Turkey? Like,
It's very bad. Maybe 200, 300%. For me, let's say with fine. If I go for 50 pesos, next week I want next week.
That's too bad.
So
It's too bad.
but it's okay, no problem. So currently I'm able to support my family, my family, and I'm living in the province. I'm very happy.
So it is required at your place that when you
No, not able. We finish the school at the age of 22, 23, maybe 24 sometimes. Starting from at the age of 18, I always work. On weekends sometimes or after work. I always work.
The pink madam.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
So after 22, maybe you start working if you are normal person. But some people I think used to work always. But that's okay. I don't mind it. I think you also start working very early. 14, 15, maybe 18, 20. See? Yours is, mine is this hard, yours is a bit small.
Maalala niya ako.
But right now, I think you're okay. You're done that. Yeah. That's the point. We're all good here. I'm happy for you. After hard work, once you are doing it from
Oo, di ba? Sabi na yun. Yes, yes. We thought, yeah, we thought he was a boy, you know. so you
never
know.
trust Kuya.
Yeah. But they're couple. So, highlight nga sila sa video, nakita ko. Talaga? Hulugan. Oo, malaki. Highlight.
You know, I got a sunset video right there. I got
I was just sitting in front of the camera. I wish you told me, Kuya.
no,
It's kind of, you know, like
the
hidden
reasons.
shots.
Mm.
Yeah, something like
You got caught? Oh my god.
It's okay.
I go na then.
Okay.
I'll see you guys later. Hopefully, Kuya.